Okay guys, modding the MegaCellCharger started. What I added is a little bit of a dial. It's a magic dial. I'll take a close look at the charge current. It's now at 130 amps. And let's turn it up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Ooh, 156. Let's turn it up a little bit more. $300. Let's do a little bit more. $500. There we go, 1000 milliamps. Now let's charge with let's say full 500 milliamps. Well, let's adjust it a little bit until it's spot on. 458. I think that's good. Half an amp charge. So keep following, because when I get the hang of it, getting them installed and marking them out on the charger, I'll show you how to do it in a follow-up video.